Actually, guys, this is about how can we secure a double digit beautiful rank even if our gate question paper for 2022 is going to be tougher than our expectations of all India students. I like it's like in whatever coaching center you are enrolled, or you are doing self study, or you are in my coaching center. We have some kind of expectations like, okay, like we are going in this way and we are going to be selected in gate exam. But like you see, in 2021 question paper was very tough. I mean, tough in the sense very lengthy. Already I have made video just after the next day of exam. I made the video and I gave the clear cut explanation about the video first on YouTube. In same way, if you go through the previous question paper, 1012 question paper was very different. So who knows in which year what kind of question paper will suddenly come. And so actually see, guys, so actually my point is, how can we secure double digit beautiful rank? So it's better to correct this, and I should say that who can who can secure double digit good rank even though if the question paper is tough. Okay, now I will tell you, in the last I will sing this song. See, I will tell you, uh, first of all, what kind of student you are. See, I will categorize in three ways. Some students are like below average, and some students are average. Till here there is no problem. Okay, I will tell you what is the good habit with below students and average students. And there is third category, so soon I'll explain. See, if you are below average, then what will happen? Whatever your teacher or coach or whoever is guiding you, your senior or any coaching center, they are guiding you because you know that you are below average, so you are going to follow that. Whatever your coaching center or someone will guide you. If you are average student, then almost similar thing you will do. At the same time, you will practice little more because you know you are not super smart. You know that you are average student, so you will follow like so. Below average student and average students will have same kind of tactics, and the way people will guide them, they will do that kind of practice. Now the third category student. In the third category student, I have two categories: student who is above than average and student who are seriously extra smart. Now see, above than average student, they are very good quality student. If someone is above than average, I'm in this category, they are amazing students, because now in this category students will follow the thing whatever is explained in the coaching classes by seniors or by the toppers or something, they will follow that. At the same time, they will also do their own research from different YouTube videos, and they will also do some extra numericals from here and there and PTL, and they will follow certain sources in a finite manner. In finite manner. See, I'm saying finite. I will tell you why I'm saying finite. This difference I will explain with extra like super smart student, extra smart, super smart students. So this is very dangerous category, because these category students, either they will be in top 5 or they will be in 300 rank, 300 400 rank. I will tell you why. See, what are the approaches are not done by average students or left of the average, right of the average. I mean, little bit lower than average, little bit higher than average. They don't push themselves on the toughest portion of the syllabus. They don't push themselves, and they don't bother. And especially I also say that you should not bother about 2 or 3 those questions what they used to ask every year as the tough question. Okay, as the very tough questions, I will tell you. But if you talk about the super smart students, their basics used to be amazing, their IQ level used to be amazing. Okay, in super smart students, again I have two category. One student who will work hard like an average student. They are super smart also, and they are working hard also as average student. Now another student, they will be doing study according to their interest. They will not be doing study according to the required systematic way. No, they don't do in that way. They do study according to their interest. if they want to study anything about heat transfer, they will study and they will keep on studying the heat transfer. It's like once they will finish the heat transfer, then from aerospace department, from mechanical department, from civil department, they will be capable to solve any question from any department for the heat transfer. But this kind of practice is having a one great drawback. That great drawback, I should not use the word great, a big drawback. What is the drawback? Drawback is you are behind a particular topic. You did very good study on that, but how much time you have consumed? Okay, this kind of study is definitely making you happy to understand a particular topic, but where this is taking you, it is consuming lot of time. No doubt you are going to be master in that particular topic, but guys, it's not like in Feb month you have interview for the heat transfer. Okay, in Feb month you have to, because guys, just understand one example is, suppose there is voting going on for any Lok Sabha or anything parliament, any voting is going on. Suppose there is 100 people in a village. Okay, so if you are getting 80 votes, you will be winner. Just imagine you will win the election if you are getting 80 votes. So now in this 100, you will be having all types of people who are extra intelligent, people who are doing nothing, people who are like so many types. They are doing business, they are doing government job, they are doing private job, they are student, so many types of. But see, value of every people is not same when you talk about their profession or their height or their money or their, right, the value is not same. But value of every person is same if you talk about the voting. Every person counts one vote. In same way, when you target the GATE exam, either the question is from very tough syllabus, very tough topic, or the question is from very easy topic. The question is going to carry the same amount of marks. I mean the same number. 1 mark means 1 mark, 2 mark means 2 mark. Okay, what should be your strategy here? So actually mostly what happens, even I was this kind of student, like I'm not saying I'm super smart student, but I know that my basics are very strong because I have prepared because when you prepare for IIT and when you teach same thing, it's been long time I'm teaching into all these things. Okay, so from very childhood my basics are very strong. So because my basics were strong, so even I had these kind of issue when I was young for the GATE preparation. I remember still it took me to understand so many years why P naught decreases about normal shock wave or oblique shock wave. Why P naught decreases like total pressure? Because see, formula wise or entropy wise everything was coming very neat and clean. Okay, P naught decreases, but I was behind the molecular level explanation why P naught decreases. Then once I grew up by my self study, slowly in 2-3 years, when I sat in the library, I read all the books and my self intuition came into picture. Slowly I improved, like I became so mature in the topic. Then I got the molecular level explanation why P naught decreases around. So see, these kind of things we don't have to do now. For what purpose I'm making this video? My video is for only one thing. If the question paper is very tough as per expectation, in that case also, who can get into IIT? Who can get good marks? Very good approach, I will tell you. First thing, even though the question paper is very tough, always keep in mind the authority who is making the question paper, or the teachers, professors, or some like whatever authority is making the question paper, even they have some rules and regulations. Even they are working under some law, some rules, something. Okay, so they are not going to frame like all the questions are extraordinarily tough. Okay, you might be knowing these kind of rules and regulations. Roughly you can say 50 to 60% questions, roughly you can say, or make this range like 45 to 55% questions will be easy questions, and if you consider 10% more, it will be average questions. So you can say roughly 60% questions will be questions anyone can do. Anyone means if you have enrolled yourself into proper preparation, then you can solve the 60%. Does not matter what kind of a student you are. even though you are below average student, but you have prepared 1 year or 2 year in second year, third year, final year, if you have prepared for the gate exam, then does not matter what kind of paper is set. One thing is very clear, roughly 50 to 60% questions will be for everyone can solve. Now if the question paper is tough, then other than this range, the remaining, you can say 45% questions, roughly you can say 45% questions, in this you can consider around 25 to 30% questions will be like really good questions. They can be lengthy also at the same time, and remaining 10% questions, you can say roughly like it is really tough question. Actually, see, if you see the gate paper from 2007, I'm talking about the aerospace, from 2007 to 2012, okay, sorry, 2021. In this, almost every year, you have one or two questions. They are very different questions. They are from our syllabus only, but the way they are framed, they are actually framed to kill. I should not use the word kill. They are framed like it's like only that student can solve these kind of questions who is very smooth. Very smooth means they know all the average PET syllabus. PET syllabus means at least 60% questions they are able to solve smoothly, and the remaining some 40% syllabus, in that whatever is the tough portions they have covered very well. So these kind of students, if you want to become, you should prepare definitely for minimum 2 years full preparation, so that in 1 year preparation you can finish all average type of preparations, so that you can become an IITian. And if you want to do complete paper, you should have minimum 2 years of preparation, then only you can do these kind of questions. But does not matter, if you want to go to IIT, I will tell you, around like if you are doing 50% good in the exam, and they will be having, definitely there will be, see, when 2021 paper was out, and I also took this exam, and you may be knowing, like this year, if you are following my channel, then my student Mahesh Negi, he got 22 rank. So just after next day of 2021 exam, in the next morning itself, early morning, I uploaded the video, and I said that from my institute also, at least 55 marks anyone can approach. 55 marks questions were very easy. I am considering 2021 paper was very different paper. It was not like a basic paper. It was different paper. But still, 55 marks question, I said next day itself that it is approachable question. Like 55 marks, never gone. Like definitely you should get 55 marks if you are average students or below average. Now, if you are average student or below average student, then also, why are you being fail? Why are you not getting 55 marks if the question paper is very tough? I will tell you why. There are only two reasons. One thing, hurry burry. It means you are reading the question very fast, and your brain is not stable in the classroom, I mean in the exam hall, and you are not able to understand the question. And next thing is, you understood the question very well, you know how to approach, but while solving the numerical, you did some human error. And these things are very common in average student. An average student or below average student, why I'm putting them in average, below average? Because they do mistakes even though if they know the question. So how can you expect that even though question paper is tough, you can be in double digit rank? You have to improve where? You have to improve on your human errors. See guys, I have qualified 5 times and I have not qualified. So when first time I took the exam, I was not qualified. And mistakes, even though I qualify, if you see my result sheet, any day I will upload, I will make sure that I will download all my result, and I will make video properly, like see what kind of mistakes I have done in exams. So nowadays I'm not having time, so I'm not, but I'll definitely upload one day, so that it will give more clear picture idea about the students, for the future students. See, I will tell you, in 1 year, what was the question? It was based on Aries function, I remember, and I think answer was -11, and I solved the numerical and I got 11, and I kept as 11. See how close I was. Question was for 2 marks, right? So these kind of mistakes. And in this year, in 2021, In 2021, I did one mistake. They asked one question on orbital mechanics. In this, they asked space dynamics. They asked a question for the circular motion, I think, and I forgot to take root. So these kind of mistakes, there are so many mistakes. So I hope you understood. What is the main thing I want to discuss here? Even though question paper is tough, make sure it is guidance. It is guidance. 50 to 60% questions will be under your preparation if you have prepared the PET syllabus. Already I have made a video, right? That video you should watch. You go to see one thing. Whenever you are watching my video, you should always visit to my description. In the description, I have so many playlists. In that playlist, you have properly organized playlist. You have one playlist, Gate Guidance playlist. Okay, in that you have Gate Guidance playlist. So in Gate Guidance playlist, go and watch all the videos. I have talked very well in all the videos. Okay, and now one more thing. So in this 50% to 60%, whatever syllabus, whatever gate questions will be there, these are the easy questions. Now see, if question paper is tough, then you have one beautiful factor in that question paper. I will tell you why. Suppose question paper is very tough. Out of 100 marks, only 55 marks questions are under your approach. And if the question is under your approach, it means you must get 55 marks. It's not like 55 marks you have done, but you have done so many mistakes and you are coming to 32 marks. No. Okay, 55 marks should be your 55 marks. Your accuracy should be 100%. Your preparation is not 100%, does not matter. Your preparation is not 100%, does not matter. Your accuracy must be 101%, guys. Okay, now, so what I'm saying, if 55 marks you are able to approach, then 55 marks should be in your result. And what about remaining 45 marks? In remaining 45 marks, I will tell you now. So see the beauty here. First thing, now you are doing only 55 marks. So the 3-hour question paper will be for 5-hour question paper for you. Why? I mean, get my logic. Because you don't have to do all the 100 marks now. So this 55 marks question paper, you can revise one more time. Almost every question you can recheck. So that 55 marks means 55 marks. Now I will tell you one thing. 55 marks every students will do. If you have not done any mistake, then 55 marks. And if the question paper is tough, 55 marks will be, you will be in top 30 for sure. Top 30 for sure. Pakka. One more thing I will tell you. Whatever I am explaining you here, it is based on my experience. In future, if anything changes, slightly changes or totally changes, you should not claim me that Viru sir explained like this and this. Okay, I hope you understand like what kind of behavior I am trying to show on YouTube. Okay, now come to this point. So actually, what about the remaining 45 marks? In this remaining 45 marks, other players will enter. Get my point? And who will enter in this 45 marks? Only very good and excellent students will enter in this 45 marks. Now from here only, all the games will start. Now I will tell you what game I'm talking. From here itself, because they have already done for 55 marks. See, average students will also do 55 marks and intelligent students will also do 55 marks. Now, but they will also go for 45 marks. So because they are also going for 45 marks, then there is more chance that, because paper is tough or paper is twisted. So in this 45 marks, imagine if they did any wrong question, or suppose they are not able to touch the 45 marks, but they have confidence, they have courage to touch these 45 marks. And what if they are doing negative marking? So these negative marking will minus their 55 marks. So even though if they are better student than you, they will be getting less rank than you. And even though if you are average student, you will be getting better rank. Okay, this kind of thing, it is my personal experience. Students, they don't, there was one time, there was many students, like I should not say exactly in my friend circle, like some juniors and something, they don't stand in front of me when I talk about the concepts. Their concepts are not as clear as my concepts. But same thing happened. Same thing used to happen nowadays also. When I go to exam hall, it's like ego comes in between. Like why this, I know this question very well, why I'm doing mistake? Because of practice. So and because of human error. Okay. Is one time I what I did, this pi value, from where I got the mind, I kept 180. See the mistake, level of mistake. Pi value I kept as 180 in the numerical practice, and it should be 20. So that's what I'm saying, these kind of mistakes are possible. So the very good student, if the student is entering into the 45 zone, so average students will do average student, this guy will also do 55, and topper type, like very extra smart students will also do 55. Now after that, these people done, they will not go to 45. So if you have not done any mistake, then you will be in IIT. Now come here. Now in the good students, the remaining 45 marks, now two approaches will be there. Few students from this category, they will do negative, so they will be below you, okay. So one more thing, guys, if someone is going to IIT and if someone is not going to IIT, it does not mean the person who is not going to IIT you should underestimate. Okay, now you see, go for this. There will be some people in the extraordinary students, they will approach this 45 and they will be getting correct answer. So these kind of people will go to top 10. Okay, so you don't have to bother if you consider that you are a average student or you are below average student, you don't have to bother about top 10, top 20. You should bother about going IIT. Okay, going to IIT. So I will tell you, so with this kind of mindset, so what my point is, how will you achieve this 55 to 60 marks even though if question paper is tough? There are certain portions, from those portions every year question paper is set. So for that I have already made a video, go to playlist, watch that video. Okay, like I forgot the video, just before this video I have added that video. Okay, now see, I will tell you what I said in the beginning. Now you can skip the video, that's all, main thing got over. Now see why I have chosen this song. Suppose you have prepared properly for 1 year, but question paper is very tough, and now you got stuck and you got hopeless. Now what to do? So for that purpose, Tufan word is there. I will explain, just let me sing this. मुझे तेरी मोहब्बत का सहारा मिल गया होता, अगर तूफान नहीं आता, किनारा मिल गया होता. So this Tufan is like a tough question paper. If question paper will not be tough, then definitely you will find your kinara. Okay, but if the question paper is tough, then you follow the schedule. You should know that if you are ready with the PET syllabus means, okay, these are the portions, they are the PET portions, from here they will definitely ask the question. So how will you know this? If you are already enrolled in my coaching center, then no need to bother. Whatever I'm saying in the live classes, keep on following that. That is enough. And if you are not in my coaching center, then what you have to do? You should focus on previous year question papers. And from the previous year question papers, you will get the correct idea that what are the portions. They are PET portions. PET portions means every year they are asking questions from that. So those PET portions, if you will realize, they will be around 55 to 60%. So prepare that, and if time permits, prepare others also. Thank you.